I'm having to spend a few days in Coldspring, Texas. I discovered that a couple of parts need to be replaced on my trailer, and I had to order them online. So it'll be a few days. While I'm here, I'll explore some areas. Today I rode up to Lake Livingston's dam, and here are some video clips and pictures of the ride. I had been avoiding normal restaurants due to concerns relating to the COVID-19 virus, especially in the more Republican areas where uh, people are tending to be convinced that the virus is a hoax or overblown or whatever. But after looking at the numbers for the area, I decided to take a chance and eat at a local restaurant. Cold Springs, Texas is a town with around 900 people. There's not much in the town as far as attractions go, but it is situated in between the Sam Houston National Forest and the Lake Livingston's Dam. There's a bit of Trump and Republican infestations in the area. Between people's signs and Trump face masks, I felt I was somewhat in enemy territory. That being said, I have met some people who were supportive of my open road tour and cycling. Uh, a couple of people definitely seem to be more on the liberal side. Like in a lot of areas, what you see is not necessarily the totality of the area. And I met a few cyclists while in the area. Some were cyclists out of necessity, but there were three people so far that I've met who were cycling for reasons other than necessity by their own descriptions. So that was a positive thing to experience. The roads are more motorcycle friendly than bicycle friendly on the way to Lake Livingston Dam. Uh, my experiences with groups and solo rides on the motorbike were quite fun. On the bicycle, you had to really keep an eye on the mirror on how people are coming up towards you because most of the road to the dam is fairly tight. Uh, but there were a couple of segments that were nice to ride. I went to the dam, but then returned because the larger ride around the lake, which is nice on a motorbike, is kind of hazardous on a bicycle because of the lack of shoulder. Well, that's all for now. This was as much of an update video as anything. My next video will be about the Sam Houston National Park, which should be more interesting. Until next time, get out there.